Are you an Indian student dreaming of getting into the world's top 50 universities? Do you want to study at MIT, Harvard, Oxford, or Stanford but feel overwhelmed by the process? Worry not. In this video, I will break down a step-by-step preparation guide to help you secure your spot in a top global university. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also reveal the best scholarships available for Indian students. Let's get started. Step 1 is all about choosing the right university. Not all top universities are the same. Some excel in engineering and technology like MIT and Stanford. Others like Harvard and Oxford have strong humanities and law programs. So start by researching universities based on your course preference, location, tuition fees, and career prospects. Check official QS World University rankings and Times Higher Education rankings to see where your dream university stands. Step 2. Meeting academic requirements. Next up, academic excellence. Your grades matter. Top universities require an outstanding academic record, often 90% or above in your high school exams. For postgraduate programs, a strong CGPA above 8.5/10 or equivalent is crucial. Also, many universities require you to take standardized tests. Let's quickly go over them. For undergraduate programs in the USA, you may need SAT or ACT scores. For postgraduate studies, universities ask for GRE or GMAT scores. Most universities require IELTS or TOEFL for English proficiency. For UK universities like Oxford and Cambridge, you may need to take additional subject-specific entrance exams. Step 3. Crafting an outstanding application. Once your academics are in place, it's time to build an outstanding application. This includes a compelling statement of purpose, SOP. Your SOP should tell your unique story. Why do you want to study this course? Why this university? What are your future goals? Strong letters of recommendation, LORs. Most universities require at least 2 LORs from your teachers or professors. A well-structured resume highlight your academic achievements, internships, research work, and extracurricular activities. Step 4. Building a strong profile. Top universities look for more than just grades. They want well-rounded students who stand out. So, focus on profile building. Participate in Olympiads, hackathons, or research projects. Join internships or volunteer work to gain real-world experience. Take online courses from platforms like Coursera or edX to boost your knowledge. If you have a passion project or startup idea, showcase it. Universities love innovation. Step 5. Preparing for interviews. Some top universities, like Oxford, Cambridge, and Harvard, conduct interviews as part of their admission process. To ace your interview, research common university interview questions. Practice with mock interviews. Be ready to discuss your academic interests, projects, and future goals. Now it's time for the final step, submitting your application on time. Application deadlines vary by country. USA, early action, November 1, regular decision, January 1. UK, UCAS deadline, October 15 for Oxford/Cambridge, January for most others. Canada and Australia, varies by the university. Check individual websites, double-check your application, SOP, LORs, and documents before hitting submit. And that's it. You now have a step-by-step roadmap to securing admission into the world's top 50 universities. Don't forget to check out the next section for scholarship opportunities.